Hi everyone! Today we have a piece of retro lunchbox size computer, the DOLCH C-P.A.C 38620C. Released in 1989 and ranging between $6,500 for the base model with orange plasma display to over 15 grand for the fully loaded model with color display like this one. That was certainly an expensive piece of hardware, but I mean, look at these shades. You were probably the cool guy if you had one of those. Founded in 1976 by Volker DOLCH, the company originally produced logic analyzers before becoming a worldwide leader in the rugged top-performing portable computers. They were on par with other known brands such as Compaq, Sharp, and Zenith in this new transportable computer market trend. According to this October '89 release of InfoWorld, they were actually the first to introduce a portable 386 to the PC marketplace. Opening the case reveals a cluttered but functional build. Underneath the plastic case, the computer is built in a metal chassis hosting a Baby 80 motherboard and is weighing over 20 pounds, making it the heavier in its category. Now let's explore the inside. My C-P.A.C 386 was upgraded to a 66 MHz 486DX2 and had 640K of base memory and 20 MB of extended memory spread over 8 RAM sticks. The pretty reactive 10-inch active matrix display is driven by the VGA VISA feature connector found on the DOLCH rebranded Chips & Tech graphic adapter, powered by a CHIPS graphic processor, a brand later acquired by Intel. No sound card here, the only thing you will get is the standard PC speaker beep. The keyboard has an interesting layout and has a nice clicking feeling, but no trackpad. They were introduced in the later models. A standard 16-bit ISA card handles the I/O, floppy, and ID connection. To access the drives and the rest of the board, we need to remove the AT power supply and the drive caddy. Some models were shipped with SCSI drive, but here we have a 428 MB Seagate using the IDE bus. Of course, the machine was dead when I got it and needed some TLC. First, the CPU was not inserted fully in its socket. I later realized this was a design issue, as the plastic fan retainer was heating this nearby SRAM socket and preventing a complete insertion. I used the Dremel to remove some material on the plastic retainer side. The next issue was the I/O card. The main chip was burnt and the card had to be replaced. Next, we had a RAM issue. 3 out of 8 sticks were also dead and needed to be replaced, so I went for a whole set of new RAM sticks. Finally, the Varta CMOS battery leaked and was replaced. Once fixed, the machine indeed worked fine and I was able to run some benchmarks. While I'm sure it was designed with productivity software in mind, I was also able to enjoy some retro gaming. That's it for today. If you liked it, feel free to support the channel by subscribing, and as usual, thanks for watching.